Welcome back. This is the last lesson recording for IM2, October 12th, 2020. So where we've left off is with these problems that you were supposed to figure out if they were similar or not. You were supposed to take inventory of all the information that you are given, then figure out the applicable shortcut. Is there applicable shortcut that you can use? If there is not, then you don't even have to go any further, right? And then figure out if they are similar or not. So this is the first problem. So take inventory. What are the information that we are given? Well, we have one pair of corresponding angles that are congruent, 44 and 44. A second pair of corresponding angles that are congruent, 86 and 86. So we have two angles in each triangle that are congruent. So the applicable shortcut is AA, similarity, and check both pairs of corresponding angles are congruent. Yes, they are. And so the two triangles are congruent. Okay, take inventory of the second problem. What are we given? We have three sides and three sides. That means the applicable shortcuts is side similarity. That means we need to check all three side ratios to match. Okay, so make sure you match the short with short, long with long. Okay, so the shortest side in this case, in this triangle is 6. Shorter side in this triangle is 35. So matching 6 with 35. 35 over 6 is approximately 5.89. Matching the middle is 45, and the middle is 9. Is the 45 divided by 9 is 5, and 70 over 13 is 5.38. Okay, so at this point, after we've done just the first two, since they're close, but they're not close enough. They have to be exactly the same, okay? And they're not, so we don't even have to go to the third ratio. Okay, we can write it down just so that we can get there, but we don't even have to calculate because we have failed here. So, no, it fails SSS similarity ratio check, so the triangles are not similar. What about number 3? What do we have? We have two sides and an angle measure, two sides and an angle measure, and so it could be side angle side. The angles are the included angle between the two sides. So we need to check if the angles are congruent. Yes, that's from the notation, tells me that those two angles are congruent. Now we need to check the two side ratios to match. Okay, so again you need to check which is the shorter side. It's the 19 and 21. So they should match. 19 and 21 is 0.904. And 41 over 49 is 0.837. So no, it fails SAS test. So the triangles are not similar. And then lastly, take inventory. What do we have? We have angle here, side here, and a side here. We have angle here, side here, and a side here. So we have two sides and one angle in each triangle, but there are no applicable shortcut. Okay, remember ASS is not a similarity shortcut, just the same way that ASS is not a congruence shortcut. So no shortcut to use, so we don't even have to go any further. Those two triangles we don't know for sure. Even though they look similar, we don't know for sure. So we're not even going to go there. Okay, so if I am not sure whether the class had time, but we actually went on to trying to do Kahoot exercise or quiz to see what we learned. So that's the link. And finally, what we learned today was triangle similarity shortcuts. So you are going to write in table of contents today's date and triangle similarity shortcut. That's it. Thanks for listening.